Do you live here locally?
No, I live in Phoenix.
Okay.
I live in Phoenix.
All right.
And I would like to have my flight that I am actually scheduled to go back to Phoenix. You see?
Okay. Yeah, you're not going to go back to Phoenix today.
Yeah, of course not.
They denied you.
Yeah, of course they did.
Keep on. The exit's over here.
The exit.
The exit. We're leaving the airport. Do you have family in town? Keep going.
I do have family in town.
Can you call them and have them come pick you up?
I can definitely have something arranged if you can tell me what's going on.
You've been denied flight today. You need
okay, I understand I've been denied
flight. Okay, let me finish
flight.
the sentence.
Then please finish the sentence.
You've been denied flight. You need to leave the airport property. You're not a flying passenger at this point.
I am not a flying passenger, and I need to leave the airport at this time. Okay.
Okay.
A woman denied boarding is escorted from a Las Vegas airport by Sergeant Bell. The encounter escalates from a trespass removal to a use of force arrest. It ends with a biting incident and 12 unanswered requests for an attorney. Airport property is a semi-public forum. Officers hold lawful trespass authority to compel non-passengers to vacate, consistent with Pennsylvania versus Mims. That authority permits verbal commands and reasonable physical escort to the exit. It does not authorize force beyond what is proportionate under Graham versus Connor. Graham, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989, established the standard. Force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment. Relevant factors: severity of the offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. Here, the subject was intoxicated, passively resistant, and in a public terminal. Physical escort was justified. Escalation to restraint became justified upon resistance. The subject directed profane, sexually degrading language at officers throughout.
Do you have an Uber or a Lyft app?
I do, and I will open that as soon as I'm allowed to leave, which is what I thought I was doing.
The exit is down here, ma'am. The exit. We're taking you right to the exit.
What's your name? Sergeant Bell. Sergeant Bell.
Okay, see you.
Go right. Yeah, I actually know exactly how to exit this place. I just don't know why I'm not allowed to fly.
Because you're...
I know why I'm not allowed to fly. It's because
right here. Go.
Do not touch my.
Go.
Do not touch me,
ma'am. Exit the airport.
Don't touch me.
Exit the airport. Keep walking. Keep walking.
I am walking.
Okay, you can't stop in here.
I am not stopping. You're pushing me.
Ma'am,
you're pushing
the automatic doors will close on you. Go over here to the escalator.
So glad that you can tell me where to go. So glad that you can tell me where
That's their job. So dramatic.
Okay. Hold on to the rail.
I don't have any baggage. I don't have any baggage.
Hold on to the rail for me.
I don't have any baggage. I don't have any baggage. I don't need to go down there. I don't have any baggage.
That's where people pick you up.
I don't have baggage.
Get on
they
your
are
Uber
not
lap.
picking me up anymore.
Listen to me. Go outside.
You're putting your hands
Go outside.
I'm walking that direction.
Okay.
I'm walking that direction.
Keep going.
No. Let's put it around. Okay.
Okay, keep going. Keep going.
Pushing. You see, you're pushing.
Keep going. Keep going.
Okay. Are you gonna let me go?
Are you gonna call somebody or have an Uber or Lyft?
Away.
Which are you gonna do? Uber and Lyft is down there.
Okay.
Okay, I need you to call a friend or Uber or Lyft.
Call for a ride so you don't have to go to jail.
Okay, I will do that because I don't need to go to jail because reporting
Listen to me.
equals go to jail.
You're
I
drunk.
have a ride on the way.
Okay.
I already have it on the way.
Call him.
It's my husband. He's already on the way.
Call him. I want to see how far out he is.
Well, you don't really get to choose how far
Ma'am?
out he is.
I get to choose whether you go to jail or you go home with your husband. So
Okay,
my
then choose
suggestion
I go to
is-
jail because I have lawyers. Please, and choose I
You're
go to jail.
drunk?
Please, choose I go
You're
to jail.
drunk.
Do you really want to do that?
No, choose that. Seriously, I have lawyers.
Call
Do you
your
really
husband.
want to do that, though?
No, I don't, but I know that you don't want to do it either. So
Stand up.
Sergeant
Stand up.
Holmes.
You want to go to jail? We'll go to jail.
Get your hands.
Come on.
Ma'am, stop.
Yeah, this hooker is
Stop.
okay. You're
Stop.
nicer. You.
Stop.
Yeah, and you're a huge cunt. Yeah, lock an arm. Lock an arm. Hey, how about you're gonna drag me back?
Stop.
Then whoa,
Stop.
like a human being. Then turn me around.
You're not
Then
acting-
turn me around. Then turn me around.
You're not cooperating.
Around.
You're not
Turn me
cooperating.
around. Turn me around. Give me a wheelchair. Please turn me around. Please just turn me around.
You're gonna sit down.
Yeah,
Sit down
I
right
will.
here.
I will turn it. I will sit down. Just,
Put your foot right up there.
yeah, sure,
Right there.
sure. Absolutely. You're raising kids, they're gonna torture other kids.
Let's get her to the bench.
Get your foot off this. Get your foot off that.
Don't bite me!
Stop.
Damn it! Ha ha! She just bit me.
Yeah, I did. You know, I was going to have
yeah?
a lawyer.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you're going to let me out of this? I'm going to call my lawyer immediately.
Sit up on the bench. Sit up on the bench.
Gotta get lower.
Yeah, you've got to get lower. You got to hurt me. I get it. They are trying to hurt me. They're trying to hurt me right now.
Okay, now we're going to get figured out, okay?
The subject directed profane, sexually degrading language at officers throughout. Under City of Houston versus Hill, 1987. Such speech is protected. The First Amendment shields offensive language directed at law enforcement officers. Officers may not arrest solely on the basis of profanity or offensive gesture. Cohen versus California, 1971. Affirmed this protection explicitly. Speech protections, however, do not extend to physical conduct, including biting. At approximately 5 minutes 23 seconds, the subject bit a responding officer. She verbally confirmed it on camera. Yeah, I did. Nevada Revised Statutes. Section 200.481 defines battery on a peace officer as a Category B felony when bodily injury or biting occurs. This single act shifts the legal exposure of the entire encounter for the subject.
Okay,
Let's work on the PC. Looking PC.
you're
Okay
going
with it.
to been with him,
Okay.
and all three of y'all are going to go down to Southwest Medical Center,
Okay.
and I'm going to follow you up. I'm going to follow you with some paperwork. We're going to see whether that's deemed an exposure or not.
Okay.
And then...
What leaves
third
him
shift,
by himself?
Whatever you guys want to do, I just need to call my lawyer. I have not been able to call my lawyer
I
yet.
did.
No one's
Let me
allowed me to call my
let
lawyer.
me call Gary.
I want
and see
to
how
call
far
my
out
lawyer.
Gary
I
is, 'cause
want
Gary
to
was
call
gonna
my
send it
lawyer.
over
Please
early
let me
was
call
he?
my lawyer.
Okay.
Please let
I'll
me
be
call my
10 minutes
lawyer.
behind you guys.
I want a
I
lawyer.
got a bunch of paperwork. Right?
Lawyer.
So,
Let me call my lawyer.
Sign-
you can approve it.
Sign
and
the
then they can-
citation. We'll take originals.
Actually, you don't have to approve this stuff.
No, you don't
No.
have to approve anything.
The
Keep your
PC
name off of it.
PC he
Keep your
does.
name off of it. Trust me, they're doing you a favor.
sign-
Keep your name off of it.
Sign this one. That way
I
it'll be
am
done.
going to have a field day with
Other
this.
citation.
Please let me call. They're going to tell you not to let me call my lawyer. That's because I need to call my lawyer. And all I want is to leave the room and be able to make one phone call to a lawyer. One phone call to a lawyer. That's all I want. Please let me call my lawyer. All I want is to call my lawyer. I really want her out of the room, and I want to call my lawyer. She makes things unfair. Her in the room makes things unfair. She is not.
Rolling until she is in a room and you're out of the room, then you can shut off.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Go away. Go. I don't want you in the room. You're.
Now, the most constitutionally significant sequence the attorney requests, between 6 minutes 21 seconds and 7 minutes 17 seconds. The subject made 12 distinct, unambiguous invocations of her right to counsel. Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, is unambiguous on this point. Once a person in custody invokes the right to counsel, all questioning must cease. Brewer versus Williams, 1977. Reinforce this at the Sixth Amendment level. Police may not initiate further dialogue once counsel has been invoked. Michigan versus Jackson, 1986. Closed the final gap. Even indirect interrogation after invocation violates the Sixth Amendment. Officers here continued presenting a citation for signature after the first request. Any signature obtained in this context is suppressible under established precedent. The Fifth Amendment further prohibits compelling a custodial statement or signature without Miranda warnings having been administered. None were audible on camera. A separate issue, an officer's voice captured dehumanizing language on Bodycam. This constitutes a conduct policy violation and creates civil liability exposure under 42 United States Code Section 1983 Civil Rights Claims. The subject's phone was dropped on the airport floor and not immediately secured. Property lost or damaged during arrest implicates due process under the 14th Amendment.
Go.
Okay, we're about to...
I don't care where you're transferring me to. I already have a lawyer.
Okay. What are you going to do when we take you and put you in that chair? Are you going to fight us?
No.
Okay.
I promise to God I'm not.
Here's what we're
I've been
gonna do.
asking you to take me out of these cuffs because they hurt.
Here's what we're going to do. We're going to put you in that chair, and we're going to wheel you out to his car. And from there, he's taking you to jail.
Okay, I can deal with all of that. Can I have my cuffs in front of me, please?
No. Nope. No one rides in my car with, yeah.
Okay, I understand that. Can you understand that I am just a woman and that woman over there?
Lean forward for me.
You see these old people over here? They hold people harder than they need to. Your face and tell you you're a old whore.
These hers.
Yes, they're on my face. Can I have them on my face? Please, on my face. It's like, can you please, sir, honestly, like, I'm not gonna hurt anyone. I just want to touch.
Kim, are those yours? Phones?
My what? Oh, yeah. I think in the middle of this.
Yeah, you dropped my phone over there and your phone over there. So my phone probably needs to go with my You see that's my phone right there that I saw on the floor? That was my phone on the floor right there! You're gonna forget it on purpose. They left my phone on the floor. They refused to let me leave, and then they left my phone on the floor and they're not giving it to me. Are we going downtown? Like to the downtown?
I gotta unlock it from the other side. This door doesn't work.
Honestly,
Okay, once we put you in the back of the car, are you going to take
No,
like kick the windows
no,
or
ma'am.
anything?
No, sir.
If
No,
you
sir.
do, we have...
I know. I really wish that you guys had taken me to a bathroom first. I really would have liked to have used a bathroom.
Listen to me, okay? Will you listen to me? If you start kicking the windows and stuff,
I
we
won't.
have
I
to,
won't.
we have
I
to like
won't.
strap you down real tight.
I
and
promise
it's really
I won't. I promise I
uncomfortable,
won't. I promise I
Okay.
won't.
Okay.
Here, look. I can stand up and sit in the car without you even.
Okay, I'll be sitting there behind you.
Alright. Yep. Yeah. I'll need to move my lunch boxes in there.
Just let me throw them. I can sit right here. You mind?
Oh, no, not at all. Wherever if you can still sit.
Yeah, move all that stuff out of your way. So get in here. You ripped up right up front. Make sure you see everything. That's special for you. Thank you for coming.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. 129, 497 in Denver's. Any mileage B9.
Let me jump real quick. Form in the trees. Thanks for your stuff.
No, not you. Him. You're Baba. You have a reason to hurt me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sergeant Bell and responding officers receive a grade of C+. Initial trespass removal was lawful. Verbal de-escalation was attempted appropriately. Force applied after active resistance was within Graham versus Connor parameters. However, 12 attorney requests denied. No Miranda advisement. Dehumanizing language. And failure to secure personal property, each a standalone procedural failure. The subject receives a grade of C. She correctly invoked counsel, a textbook, Fifth and Sixth Amendment exercise. She ultimately cooperated during transport and did not re-escalate to violence. However, biting an officer in custody is a confirmed, camera-documented felony. No legal defense eliminates that exposure regardless of officer procedural failures. Key takeaway: rights invocation and criminal conduct are independent legal tracks. Officers' constitutional violations do not immunize a subject's separate criminal acts. Equally, a subject's criminal act does not excuse officers' denial of counsel. Both parties face legal consequences on their respective tracks simultaneously. The remedy for denied counsel is suppression of evidence, not dismissal of force charges. And the remedy for battery on an officer is prosecution regardless of civil claims filed. Let us know what interaction or legal topic you want analyzed next in the comments. Thank you for watching. Check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction content.